Listen closely, because what I'm about to tell you is not science fiction, not a movie scene, not a distant dream. This is the new battlefield of American power. Right now, as the world sleeps, the US Army is building something no rival nation ever expected. Robot soldiers with the precision of machines, the instincts of warriors, and the loyalty of patriots. These aren't gadgets. They aren't cool tech. They are the future. Guardians of America's strength, faster than human reflexes, smarter than enemy tactics, and built to protect every inch of the red, white, and blue. Imagine a soldier that never tires, never hesitates, never breaks under pressure. Imagine a warrior that can walk through fire, carry wounded troops, stand between danger and freedom, and still push forward with unstoppable force. This isn't the future. This is now. And what you're about to hear will change the way you look at American power forever. When people talk about the future of war, they imagine satellites, missiles, fighter jets slicing through the sky with thunder in their engines, submarines lurking beneath oceans like silent predators, and soldiers marching with unshakable discipline. But few ever stop to realize that wars are no longer decided only by strength, courage, and steel. They're decided by innovation, by technology, by the unstoppable evolution of American military power. And this is where the US Army's robot soldiers rise, not as replacements for human warriors, but as the shield that protects them, the force that multiplies them, and the technology that defines a new era of dominance. Picture a battlefield where US troops move with absolute confidence because robotic units walk beside them. Mechanical warriors, built from reinforced alloys, equipped with sensors that see through smoke, dust, darkness, and fear. Machines that run into ambushes before humans ever have to. Machines that absorb the danger so American soldiers can come home alive. These robotic warriors are trained not with emotions but with precision, trained to detect threats, neutralize missiles, carry ammunition through firestorms, rescue injured troops under heavy fire, and stand unflinching against chaos. And as they advance, they elevate every branch of America's military might. The Navy deploys autonomous sea guardians that travel with destroyers and submarines, scanning every ripple in the water for hidden threats. The Air Force commands drones and robotic air units that fly through storms, through night skies, through territories too dangerous for human pilots, clearing the path for F-22s and F-35s to dominate the air with unmatched stealth and speed. The Army deploys land robots alongside tanks and armored vehicles, turning every mission into a synchronized dance of human courage and mechanical precision. And as the robots push forward, American soldiers gain the advantage that defines victory in modern warfare. The ability to control the battlefield before the enemy even understands it. This is not weakness. This is not dependency. This is American power evolving, because true strength is not resisting change, but mastering it. And every time a US robot soldier steps onto the battlefield, it carries the same mission, the same values, and the same oath as the men and women who wear the uniform: protect freedom, defend the homeland, and never surrender. These machines don't replace heroism. They amplify it. They empower Marines storming beaches, Army Rangers conducting night raids, Navy SEALs diving into enemy waters, Air Force pilots launching precision strikes, and every American warrior who chooses duty over comfort, service over safety, sacrifice over silence. And make no mistake, while other countries attempt to copy America's innovation, the US stands decades ahead. Our robots don't just move, they think. They don't just follow, they adapt. They don't just react, they predict. Imagine a future battlefield where robotic soldiers intercept enemy drones mid-air, where mechanical units shield human troops from missile blasts, where unmanned artillery launches precision strikes from miles away while soldiers direct the battle from a safe zone, where robotic medics sprint across open fields to save the wounded, where autonomous recon units scout enemy positions before the first shot is ever fired. This is the future the US military is building, a future where fewer Americans fall, where missions succeed faster, where enemy lines collapse before they even rise, and where American dominance remains unchallenged. But beyond the machines, beyond the technology, beyond the steel and circuits, the heart of this future still beats inside every American warrior. Because it's not the robot that makes the army strong, it's the soldier who commands it. It's the patriot who operates it. It's the American spirit behind it. The same spirit that stormed Normandy, that raised the flag on Iwo Jima, that fought in the skies of Korea and the jungles of Vietnam, that served in Iraq and Afghanistan, and that continues to defend freedom across every corner of the world. The robot is the tool. The American warrior is the force. And together they form something unstoppable. A future where strength is doubled, vision is sharper, speed is unmatched, and victory is inevitable. So when you hear the world question American power, remember this: our soldiers are not alone anymore. They stand with an army of machines built for one purpose: to protect the brave, defend the homeland, and ensure that the United States of America remains the strongest, smartest, most unbreakable military force on Earth. The future of war is here, and America is leading it, not with fear, not with hesitation, but with innovation, courage, and absolute dominance. Because when technology meets patriotism, when robotics meets discipline, when machines meet the heart of a warrior,